Now I am explaining diet for cancer stage 1 and stage 2. So wherein 30% of the cooked food and 70% uncooked food should be taken. So now I would like to explain that what should not be taken. First, more than 5 grams of salt in a day, and all forms of oils and fats, milk and milk based products except curd or yogurt, and processed food, baked food such as the cookies, biscuits, etc., alcohol, aerated beverages, sweets one should not take, and dry fruits can be taken, and also crabs and pork, beef should not be taken. Now, diet, what should be followed? Prebiotics. Morning one time has to be taken, garlic 2 to 3 small pieces, ginger of a centimeter, sliced one, and fenugreek seed soaked one 1 teaspoon has to be consumed in an empty stomach after the medicines which have been prescribed by our doctors. This will trigger the beneficial microbes in the gut system, and thereby the whole system will get changed through the proper releasing of the enzymes from the microbes, and which will act like a catalyst to separate the nutrients from the food, and it will nourish the cells in the body. And secondly, banana stem juice 2 times a day, once in the morning and another dose in the evening whenever they are comfortable. And it's a very, very important drink which will remove the calcification formation in the arteries and capillaries. And the quantity will be 50 to 60 ml, even up to 100 ml also can be taken. And flax diet. Flax diet 3 times one has to consume. First one is in the breakfast as a first course, and thereafter fruits, and thereafter cereals. And second course is before lunch. Third course will be evening as a snack. And this flax diet many times will gives like a wholesome food. You don't feel hungry also. So if you do not have hungry, you should not take. And vegetable juice, you have to consume twice a day, morning once and evening once. It will actually act as a blood thinner and also act as a cholesterol controlling tablets such as statins. And super salad, that also anytime it can be taken. And leafy vegetables with vegetables always should be more than 40 to 60% in the food, and wherein you can mix up any other pulses and other things for wholesome meal. And pulses can be mixed 5 to 10%, and or else as per the taste. In cereals, one should consume only rice and wheat. Cereals has to be consumed 25 to 30%, and any cereals can be consumed. The baked fish can be taken, and also the proper recipe one has to follow. One should not fry in the oil. Without oil also fish can be fried through the water or it can be baked. Chicken also can be consumed without using oils. There is a spice drinks which I have defined. That is very important, that spice drink, and which will take care allergies, fever, cold and cough.